was an amazing tour. For any Game of Thrones fans, this cruise and walking tour is a must. The boat staff were pleasant and nice. The tour guide was great. She was highly knowledgeable and spoke very well. She was attentive and accommodating. Would definitely recommend this tour to anyone. Super cool tour. Highly recommended. Tour guide was very kind and detailed to the sites used by Game of Thrones, and she even gave us a surprise. We love the tour, thank you. Along the coastline, you can enjoy the beautiful scenery of Dubrovnik's ancient city walls in dusk. The weather is pleasant. The tour guide explains things related to A Song of Ice and Fire. After disembarking from the boat, the walking tour of the ancient city is also related to A Song of Ice and Fire. For those who have never seen Ice and Fire, passengers with A Song of Fire may not be that interesting. It's really great to take a boat ride in the evening and watch the sunset. The tour does not require a day pass to enter the museum, but only walks around the old town.